Guys, I'm back and today I'm doing another hair video for you. So let's get into how I deep condition my hair. For today's hair treatment, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's new Manuka Honey and Yogurt. I think it's called a Hydrate, Repair, Protein Power Treatment. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to post the link in the description box for you guys. This is my first time trying it. I believe this is a new line, so I'm super excited to try this. I used to use Shea Moistures in the past, but I was using the hibiscus line, the coconut hibiscus line, but it was too heavy for my hair. So they have like this chart and it tells you like what's good for your hair, and I think this one is gonna be better for my hair. And listen, child, I need a deep treatment so bad. I've had my hair like straight for like a month and then I washed it like 2 weeks ago. So it's time for me to really do a treatment for my hair so I can add that protein power back to it. I can add some moisture. I can be out here swinging my ponytail looking all cute or whatever. So to today's treatment, I'm going to be using this. I'm going to add some olive oil, like I said, for some extra because I need it, and some lavender. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. I could smell this all day. It smells like a perfume, so my hair gonna be smelling good regardless, y'all. So let's get into it, and I'm gonna show you what I do with this, and let's see how it works. Okay, so I'm taking the Manuka and Honey protein mask, and then I'm putting it into this bowl. I put about 2 scoops of it, and the consistency was kind of thick, but I was expecting that because it's a protein mask, so it's going to be a little thicker. So as you see, I'm putting it in the bowl here, and then next I'm going to take the olive oil. So I try to put a few drops in there, but then I accidentally went a little overboard. But that's okay. It's still going to make my hair shine, so that's fine. And then I'm going to take my lavender essential oil, and then I'm going to put about 5 drops of that into the bowl, and then begin to mix it up. 5 drops. So then I'm going to mix it up, and I was hoping that it wasn't going to be as thick as it was, but it's okay. That's fine too. But then I just began to mix it up. It still smelled really good, so that's always a plus. Okay guys, so I just washed my hair, and I did put a little bit of conditioner on it, but just like I put it on and then I rinsed it out. And now I'm going to apply the protein treatment. So I'm going to do my usual. I put my hair in a 100% cotton t-shirt. Y'all know the drill by now. I am going to separate my hair into 4 sections. And then I am going to apply the treatment into those 4 sections. So now that my hair is all up and into the 4 sections, I'm going to begin to rake the product through my hair. So I'm going to begin by spraying it with my spray bottle that just has water in it. And then I'm going to take a spoonful of the treatment and put it in my hands. I'm going to massage it through to make sure it's nice and evenly distributed. And then I'm going to begin to take a prayer grip and then rake it through my hair with my fingers. So then I begin to spray it again and add a little more because there just wasn't enough where I felt like it was getting through all of my hair, and I want to make sure that every ounce of my hair is covered with the protein treatment so no piece is left frizzy or dry or like just not it. So then I take my Denman brush and I use it to rake through my hair to comb it out to make sure that there are no tangles. And also this is going to be used when I style my hair because it helps to clump your curls together so they look more fuller. So then I go through and I apply this same technique to each section of my hair. And then when I'm done combing through each section of the hair with my Denman brush, then I'm just going to do a little twisty twist so it's out the way, and then I can move on to the next section. now that I have finished my last section, I'm going to take the excess product from the bowl and rub it on my scalp, my roots, my ends, just to make sure that my hair is completely covered with the manuka honey protein treatment. So then I'm going to take my hair and then I am going to twist it into a little bun and put it on the top of my head so I can get ready to put my heating cap on it. So this heating cap that I got, I'll put it in the description box below. I heat it up for 90 seconds and then I leave it on my head for 30 minutes. So let's see what it looks like when I come back. And these are my results. So if you like how my protein treatment turned out, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Thanks guys. Can't wait to see you in the next video.
Yeah. And I got a colorful aura, like I got neon guts.